In this video, let's talk about how to use the Wells Fargo Everyday Checking account. So if you have the Everyday Checking account of Wells Fargo and if you're trying to effectively use it, in this video, let's talk about it. Now, the way that you can access your checkings account within Wells Fargo is either through the mobile app or through the online portal. Now, there are a bunch of things that you can do with it, such as you can activate your debit card. You can simply add in your contactless debit card upon arrival in order to make any sort of purchases without using the ATM card itself. So this is the first thing that you can do. Secondly, you can simply head over to the pay and send, transfer and send section, where you'll be able to transfer any sort of bills that you need to actually pay. Also, if you're trying to deposit your check online, this is also an option that is available within your checkings account as well. So if you're trying to deposit your check within your checkings account, you can simply head over to the deposit check section and then simply take a picture to deposit. Now, there are a few things that you need to know is if you are trying to avoid the monthly fee, you need to maintain a minimum balance of $1,500, and also you need to receive a deposit of $500. If you do this thing, you can simply avoid the monthly fee of $10. So I do hope this video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.